We are going to take a quick look at a Black Brothers 22D top and bottom glue spreader. It does have a 68-inch width capacity and a 3-inch thickness capacity. The doctor rolls on this machine are rubber. Your applicator rolls and your doctor rolls are overall in good condition. They don't necessarily photograph that way, but they are in good condition. There's little slight edge wear on this right edge of the top roll, but other than that, there's no marks. This is not a line. A lot of these are just marks from the fact that it's a used roll. This is how you control this glue spreader. What you can do is pull out, and that is going to be forward. Your center is neutral, while in is going to be reverse. It is powered by a 3 horsepower US Motors drive, variable speed. Quiet running. The gear selector is a little stiff, but it does function as it should. Up top, you do have the double acting pneumatic cylinder option. What that means is you can lower those rolls pneumatically, and you can put pressure on that top roll. It also means that you can raise the rolls for easy cleaning. Normally what your operator has to do is they have to sit there and take the hand wheel and raise it up at the end of a shift. It's going to allow you not to lose that thickness setting. We do have the manual and an ARO glue pump. You can take a look at both applicator rolls and the doctor rolls. If we come down here, these are not grooves. It's just from when my guys cleaned it. So these, again, are not grooves. Sometimes those are grooves from the guards hitting, but that is not the case with this machine. Those are just cleaner marks, whereas it's cleaner in this groove than it is over here. That lower roll is in about the same condition as the top roll. Your pan is present and in good condition as well. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.